It's too hot to turn on the oven, but I'm craving lasagna. So I created a way to make it entirely on the stovetop, and honestly, I may never bake it in the oven again. You still get that rich sauce, tender pasta, and those cheesy pockets, but all for under $2 a serving. Everything cooks together in a single skillet without any layering or baking and without having to clean up a pile of dishes. Stick around because there's one simple trick at the end that gives it that creamy texture like traditional lasagna. Now let's get cooking. Start by heating about a tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add your chopped onions, garlic. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes until they're soft and fragrant. Now add your mushrooms, zucchini, and your plant-based meat or lentils if you're using them. After adding your veggies, be sure to add a little salt and pepper to the zucchini because the zucchini doesn't have much flavor and you want to season as you go along. Then add your sausage. This is one of my favorite brands I found at Winco, so I thought I'd splurge. Stir your marinara sauce, vegetable broth, smoked paprika, Italian seasoning, plus a pinch of salt and pepper. Give everything a good mix and bring it up to a gentle simmer. I'm using these cute pastas I found at the market because they're pretty and they have the perfect texture to hold on to that bold sauce. But you can also break up a few lasagna sheets if you want that classic lasagna feel. Make sure the pasta is mostly submerged in the sauce so it cooks evenly right in the skillet. Now that the pasta is tender and the sauce is thickened, it's time to add that secret ingredient I promised you at the beginning. I mix a little vegan mozzarella in with my ricotta. And best believe I'm seasoning it too. Then I douse this mixture all over the skillet. This gives you those creamy, cheesy pockets you normally get from layered ricotta between sheets of pasta in a big casserole. Now sprinkle more vegan mozzarella over the top. This is everything I love about lasagna without all the extra work. The pasta is perfectly tender, the sauce is rich and savory, and those little ricotta pockets throughout the skillet makes every bite taste like a layered slice straight from the oven. You'll find the full written recipe on my website, thedivinechef.com. And if you want to go beyond what I share on YouTube, download my Divine Budget Eats app. It's my evolving index of over 120 plus recipes that you won't find on my YouTube channel or my website, and I add new recipes every single week. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.